A very good morning, students. Today we will do question answers of the chapter A Report on Cleanliness. First of all, we'll see, read to understand, answer these questions with reference to the context. As we can't teach it as a subject like chemistry, geography, or biology, we did the next. This is the line, and on basis of this line, we will do the answers. First question, what does it refer to? It here refer to cleanliness. Question 2. Who says these words? Answer. The principal of Xavier School, Mrs. Lata Mishra, says these words. Question 3. What is the next best thing? Answer. They give prizes to students who maintain cleanliness and appoint students as cleanliness monitors. This is the best thing. Let us do answer these questions. First question. How are some schools setting a good example? Answer. Some schools are setting a good example. Lord's Shepherd's Senior Secondary School has launched a clean and green city campaign. The school management and 150 students of the senior secondary classes went on a cleanliness march to their neighboring colony and a village to convey their message of a cleaner and better India through banners, posters, slogans, and street plays. Question 2. What did Sherlock School organize? Answer. Sherlock School undertook a cleanliness drive with a host of activities. They organized a wide range of events which included skits, debates, and speeches and held inter-class and inter-house competitions. The students took a place to clean their school, home, public places, and surroundings. During the morning assembly, a play on Clean India was enacted to highlight the importance of hygiene, sanitation, and cleanliness. Question 3. Why do you think the students and staff were motivated? Answer. The students and the staff of the Sherlock School were motivated because the principal S. Roberts and the vice principal Mrs. Rachel Pinto enthusiastically picked up brooms and garbage bags to clean up every nook and corner of the classrooms, corridors, and school grounds, parking lot, and the nearby areas along with them. What is the unique approach adopted by Xavier School? Answer. Xavier School has an agenda of action points for students, teachers, and other staff members to ensure that the school remains clean and free of clutter. The staff and the student take the cleanliness pledge called Swachhata pledge every day during the morning assembly. The principal feels that if the students are taught about the need to maintain basic sanitation and cleanliness in all aspects, they will also ensure that these are maintained at home too. This would make it easier for society to spread the message of a clean and beautiful city. Question 5. Why are academic institutions the best place to teach about cleanliness? Answer. Academic institutions are the perfect place to teach the value of cleanliness at school, home, and public places because children spend most of their time in school. Let us do discuss and write. Question. How is keeping our surroundings clean good for us? Do you think that we can be healthy by keeping only ourselves clean? Discuss with a partner and write about why it is important to have clean surroundings as well as a clean body. Students, I have written here. You can write your own. You can change in this also. Answer. All of us live in a neighborhood or surrounding. We must keep our surroundings neat and clean. This will help us to live a healthy life. Keeping our surroundings clean will only help in the betterment of society. Wastage or garbage should not be thrown anywhere, but only in trash bins. Throwing garbage all over the place will dirty our surroundings, pollute the environment. Controlling the use of plastic bags will help us to keep our surroundings clean. One should use recycled and eco friendly products like paper or jute bags instead of others. Littering causes land, air, and water pollution. Greener surroundings look beautiful and reduce pollution. Dirtying our surroundings will cause harm to us, so keep the surroundings clean, live happy and healthy lives. This is all students. I hope you will do these in your fair notebook and learn them very well. Thank you for watching the video.